Rise and shine, it's quiz time. Today we're making a fan requested video. Howdy Cookhouse family. I love getting viewer requests. Today is from Seeker71787. He asked about making some gravy with some bacon, and with that bacon gravy to have it sound like his Paul's recipe. I'm going to try my best, but what I'm going to do is got some biscuits here. And then right now, I'm frying up some bacon. We're going to make the bacon gravy, so come on over. I just want to do a quick shout out to my daughter and her boyfriend. They got me this apron. It says Rise and Shine, it's quiz time on it. I'm going to wear this for the rest of the video. It's great. As you can see here, this bacon is just about done. So it is done. And you don't want to waste any of that bacon grease. That's where all the goodness is. I'm just taking all the bacon out right now. And we're going to let that cool. The bacon grease in there. And with any gravy that you make, what you do is I'm just have a third of a cup of flour. I have the recipe down below. And what you're going to do is you're going to mix that flour in. You're going to let it soak up in the grease. We're going to cook it for a few minutes until it browns up. This is going to cook up real quick. And once this is done cooking up, I'll bring you back in just a second once this is brown. What you're going to do is once you get it nice and brown, you're going to take your Carnation instant milk and you're going to put it in there. As you can see, you got to stir this up all real good. Make sure that doesn't clump or anything, so just keep on mixing that. What we're going to do is we're going to give that a few minutes. That's going to cook in. While that's cooking in and everything, we're going to add in our salt. And I went heavy with the pepper because the recipe says it has lots of pepper, so I got 2 teaspoons of pepper there. I'm adding in some extra pepper. Get that all nice and mixed around. And we're going to let this kind of cook down. I do have a cup of milk. Pour that in there. And then while this cooks down, all I'm going to do is just take these pieces of bacon here. I'm going to tear them up and I'm going to throw them in there. And then I'll bring you back in just a second. Once we kind of get this thickened up, it'll take maybe 5-10 minutes. You can see here that didn't take long at all. Make the gravy as thick as you like it, and it does make a lot of gravy, which is a good thing. Feed a crowd. You can see I got my biscuits here. Get some of it there, and then look at that gravy. That is some beautiful looking gravy. Definitely feed a crowd with this. I left a few pieces of bacon on there because I really like bacon. Make sure that's all. Because I mean, I got plenty of bacon, plenty of gravy there. So let's go ahead and let's go over and let's give it a try. All right, now got the bacon gravy here. Cut me off a little piece. That's so good. Definitely got a lot of pepper to it. Your Paul knew what he was doing. Got a nice pepper punch to it. I actually really like that. I think that this recipe is definitely a keeper. If you like this video, like and subscribe. Go ahead and tell me one of your favorite family recipes down in the comments. Or if you want to see me do a future video of this, of your family recipes, I could even try to make my own. I try to do my best, but anyways, I do appreciate everybody watching. And thank you and have a good day. And I'll see you next time.